Section 13. The Catbird. It requires an effort for me to speak of the singing catbird as he. All the ways and tones of the bird seem so distinctly feminine. But it is, of course, only the male that sings. At times I hardly know whether I am more pleased or annoyed with him. Perhaps he is a little too common, and his part in the general chorus a little too conspicuous. If you are listening for the note of another bird, he is sure to be prompted to the most loud and protracted singing, drowning all other sounds. If you sit quietly down to observe a favourite or study a newcomer, his curiosity knows no bounds, and you are scanned and ridiculed from every point of observation. Yet I would not miss him.